Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall Windows 10 Update Assistant. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Windows 10 Update Assistant, click Uninstall. Click Yes to continue. Click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.